Want to buy Polygon MATIC instantly with your card? Here's a quick step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose a trusted exchange that supports instant card purchases like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. I'm going to be using Binance for this tutorial. Step 2. Create an account if you don't have one, and verify your identity with a valid ID since card purchases require KYC. Step 3. Head to the Buy Crypto section. Here, make sure you've selected the Buy section and go down to the Receive field. Press on USDT or whatever coin it shows you. And then on search, just type Polygon. You're going to find it, Pol. Now on the payment method, choose card, Visa card / MasterCard, or Paymonade, which is a Visa card / MasterCard. It's third party, or Apple Pay or Google Pay. Now enter the amount that you want to buy. You can type it either in USD amount or the exact MATIC quantity. Now confirm the fees and processing time. Most exchanges offer near instant settlement with cards, but fees may vary. You can find the fees here listed. Now complete the purchase, confirm the transaction, and your MATIC will appear in your exchange wallet within minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.